Recipe. What is a recipe? You can think about it. I'm not looking it up, but I guess that's my hook, right? Recipes. If I had to say what a recipe is, just instructions and how to do things. And I got one. My dear friend. Why do people say dear? I don't know why. My friend gave me this recipe. 7 tablespoons of coffee grounds, 2 bottles of purified water in the kettle. Wait 1 minute after kettle stops before pouring about 40% of hot water into the press. Wait 90 seconds. Stir. Remaining water. Wait 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Press and serve. Smooth and rich. Yeah, this is for immersion brew. Then he said he tried it for AeroPress. So then that kind of got me curious, sort of, you know. I'm not too big of an immersion brew type of person. I use it just to change it up from time to time. But it's one of those things to where, let's give it a whirl. Let's give it a try. Let's just see how well it really does work. Because at the end of the day, it's just about sharing. I'm sure there's recipes already online about this, or why it works, why you have to do it this way. But as you see, I didn't really have any recipes. At least what I did on there, I just kind of eyeballed it for visual performance, if you want to call it that. But it's one of those things to where I think a 50-50 split, 90 seconds of waiting, then other 50% of water, and then plunge and do your thing, works all the time. Light, medium, dark, fine grind, medium grind, coarse grind, not too fine. Don't go espresso fine. But it's one of those things to where we can think about why it makes the coffee so smooth, so forgiving, so good, right? But it doesn't matter. We're just in the moment. We're just enjoying our coffee. That's the whole point, right? We're just trying to drink our coffee for what it is. And when we do that, I think we're in a better place because we're not thinking as much. Even though what I just gave you with the recipe, you're kind of thinking all the time. That's all we're really trying to do here. And this recipe, since it's so smooth and rich and velvety, it works. And it's so forgiving. And I think that's the beauty of it, really. So modify it a little bit, follow it to a T, but the magic is in the cup, and I think you'll enjoy it. So give it a try, give it a whirl. I don't really say that, but you know, see what is out there for you. At the end of the day, you just want a smooth cup of coffee, right? From time to time. Some of us likes a smooth cup of coffee all the time. I like it once, twice a week. I like my interesting novelty type of coffees most of the time. But the thing is that we can make the coffee whenever we want to and enjoy it the way we want to with this recipe or a doctoring here and there of what works and what doesn't work. But it all works all the time, if that makes any sense. So yeah, try it out. I would say smooth operator, but I think that's, trademark. But it's a smooth cup of coffee. Give it a whirl. Give it a try. Talk to you later. Bye.